Up guys, I'm Joker Atkinson, and today I'm going to put up a bike check. I got a little bored, so yeah, I just decided to make a bike check. So here we go from top to bottom. Alright, so I got no Barnes at the moment. Got some Odyssey cufflinks. Nice grips, like those. Subrosha Velicious bars. Really nice bars. Got a Sunday Free stem. It's pretty nice for how cheap it is. Animal headset in purple. It's alright. Nothing too special. DK forks, stock. They're junk. They're starting to bend. I got Redline pegs on that side. Primo peg back there. And I don't know about that peg. Got a Shadow stun rim. Laced to a Demolition Bulimia hub with demolition guards on the sides. 2011 DK Helio frame. I got Odyssey Aaron Ross fat seat, DK seat post, and Odyssey seat clamp. I got profile spline drive cranks with Odyssey twisted. The DK 19mm bottom bracket with a Colt OS 28 tooth sprocket with the Shadow chain. Purple and white because I'm just so cool. My back rim, I have an Odyssey quadrant rim and hub with Shadow guard over here and Primo guard over here. And I got Kenda tire up front and a Duo tire in the back. So, I don't think I missed anything. So, yeah, guys, it's my bike check.